Assalamu alaikum everybody, and I hope that you all are fine, and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. Things are going on well, and lockdown is as usual going on. One thing that we are doing, I think is wrong. That we have disturbed our sleeping timings and waking up timings. I am myself into it a little bit, but I am finding most of my fellows, my friends and relatives, they have disturbed their sleeping habits, so they stay up till late night and keep sleeping during the daytime. So one thing I want to share with you, that the brain cells want pitch darkness in your room when you sleep. So there should be pitch darkness in your room. When there is darkness in your room, so your brain cells start to function well, and they nourish your brain. And secondly, your liver doesn't function properly if you do not sleep for 7 to 8 hours. The detoxification process starts of the liver during the night time. If we sleep late and wake up late, so during the daytime, if you are sleeping, so your brain and your liver doesn't function well. So what happens? That brings the negative impact on your body. So I am concerned about all of you, as you all are dear ones to me. So please, manage your sleeping timing. Try to sleep well in time. Ideally it's 10:30 or 11 o'clock if you sleep, so you can wake up by 5:30, because the sun comes up at around 6 o'clock and 8 minutes, somewhat like that. So 6:08 is the sun up time. So before that time you can carry out your worship, and you can carry out your prayer very easily, and you have yet ample time to do the rosary if you want to do. So for that you have time. And if we sleep for 7 to 8 hours, so that is beneficial for our health. So if we stay up till late night and keep wasting the time in Facebook and other activities like WhatsApp and all that, keeping yourself busy with the mobile phone is all the way harmful, and it's very lethal for the health. And we have to care about ourselves, we have to care about others. So if we are healthy, so our family feels happy, and if any member of the family falls ill, so the whole family suffers. So I'm concerned about you, I'm concerned about me and everybody. So please follow this thing, that try to sleep well in time. If we sleep well in time, so wake up well in time. And even if we, after offering prayers, if you want to take sleep for another 2 or 3 hours, so you can sleep and you can wake up by 9 or 10 o'clock. It goes well, because you don't have to go out of your home, you have to stay indoors, so you have nothing to do special. For that you can maintain your health better, and a bit of exercise daily for 30 to 45 minutes is another icing on the cake, and that we need to do. If we do all that, so we can keep ourselves healthy, because our activities have been stopped. You have been contained to the home, so don't be a dull jack. We have to active jack, and we have to work all the time. We have to help our family members in their home chores. We must take part in activities that we usually don't take because of the busy schedule we have during the day when we go to our workplaces. So now we are at home, and what is our duty? To be the part, a helping part of our family, and we don't have to expect everything from our wives and daughters and sons. We have to do something on our own also, to be productive, to be helpful, to be useful. If we don't follow all that, so you will find that you are being lethargic and lazy. That's going to harm your health, and that's going to bring back bad results. I hope that you and I myself will follow all such thing, and will try to be helpful and be healthy for us and for our family. Thanks so much. I hope you all are doing well at your end. Thanks so much again.